Then yeah. Yeah. Bye guys. Yeah. Bye guys. Guys, I have a special announcement before we go. I'm gonna be doing the Call of Duty Black Ops series. Guys, like the walkthrough campaign series. And I'll probably be playing with the graphic content and language turned off, mainly to keep it community guidelines friendly. But just so you know, yeah, I'm thinking of changing my name to the Jay's Adventures video. And starting now, I'm gonna have a new intro, which is basically counting down from 10. I'm wondering, should I change my name to Jay's Adventure Shows or keep it? Oh wait, or save it to 100 subscribers. My 17th birthday is tomorrow, guys, so yeah. Guess you could say this is the special for that.